I was so busy in my day-to-day life, so I was not doing it effortlessly. I was spending my time in the gossiping, sometimes binge watching and scrolling my mobile phone. So if I suggest you that your reading habit can make you fluent English speaker, but then your question will be that I don't like reading and I don't have interest and I don't have time also because we are so busy in our day-to-day life. So I'm going to share with you some ways which if you will apply, you will make your reading habit so natural and so easy. The first point is that you have to build your interest. If you don't have interest, no matter how many books I am suggesting you, you are not going to read for a long time. Maybe you can start, but you will stop it after certain time. So you first of all you have to build your interest, and for that you have to identify what is your area of interest. Maybe if I suggest you that you should read self-help books, but you don't like that. Maybe you like some fiction books. So you have to start with whatever you like. Whatever you like in your mother tongue, which kind of stuff you want to read. You have to start with that. Observe yourself, which kind of area you have your interest. So start reading with that. This way you will build your interest in English, as a reader. So start to build your interest. Second thing is that you should start reading for 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that. Maybe you have this idea before that you should read for a long time. But if you are a beginner and you want to start your reading journey, you can't do it for a long time. In the beginning, if you do it for a long time, you feel a kind of dizziness in your head and a kind of problem in your throat also. So don't read for a long time. Just start reading for 5 to 10 minutes. That is sufficient. The third thing is that you should create some rituals for your reading. To make it so natural, you have to create some rituals like when you do your brush in the morning, you are not going to think about it. In the beginning, what I did, even I love reading, but after a long time when I started again, so for me that was not so easy. So what I did to make it so natural, I started reading with my morning tea and with my evening tea also. If I'm not getting time for whole of my day, so at least for my evening tea and with my morning tea, I can read or I can write something in English. In this way, I make this habit so natural and so normal for me, so that I'm not giving any extra effort or time and I'm getting some result. Example, you can make a habit of after getting up in the morning, I will read for 10 minutes. And in this way, you will get that you are doing it so effortlessly. So you have to create that kind of rituals. In this way, you can make a strong reading habit. Fourth thing, what you can do it after your favorite activity. What do I mean by that? Suppose if you like to do exercise, if you like dancing, and if you like to listen some songs like me, I love to listen Bollywood songs. So in this way, when you do something, whatever you like, you get a hormonal kick, you feel good in that moment. So after that, if you will do whatever you don't like, you can do it effortlessly. So suppose you just completed your daily exercise. So after that, definitely you will take for 10-minute rest. And in that moment, you can read for 10 minutes, So this way you can do it again and again. And once you start getting benefits, you will do it naturally. Fifth thing is that is most important. And this habit was also beneficial for me because in the beginning, I was so busy in my day-to-day life, so I was not doing it effortlessly. I was getting it hard. So fifth thing is that you have to make your house reading friendly, So what can you do for that? You have to place some books or copies in each and every corner where you are spending your most of the time. In the beginning, what I observed in my journey that I was After completing my work, I was spending my time in the gossiping, sometimes binge watching in front of my TV and scrolling my mobile phone. So when I observed, what I found that when I was free, and if I'm not getting whatever, if I'm not getting any books or copies around me, I just shifted my focus on watching TV or in the gossiping. So I started placing books and copies at that place. In this way, even I was tired, even I was feeling lazy, and effortlessly I was getting my books and copies. So I started reading. So in the same way, you can do, you can place some, some light books also, some small stories books also. It's not necessary that all the time you are reading very heavy stuff. And in the beginning, it's important that you just read light content. You just read whatever you can understand. So you have to place in each and every corner. So at the end, I just want to say that if you want to build a strong reading habit, you have to create a lifestyle. You have to observe yourself so that you can make some habits for yourself. Maybe I can suggest you so many things, whatever I am doing, and I am getting some results. But in the beginning, this is most important, that whatever you like, you have to start with there. And believe me, once you start in the right direction, you will get results. And once you start to get results, automatically you will do all the things. So always take the way of step by step. Don't be in the hurry that everything you will get in once. You have to go with step by step formula always. So I hope you will apply all these. I get some results to apply all these things. And I want to know that if you are getting some results, so please comment on this video. Press the like button and hit the subscribe button and share with someone who wants to start their journey. Thank you so much.